Welcome to the best picks. The best Ram 1500 airbags is probably one of the most important safety features in your truck, offering crucial protection in collisions. This video will dive deep into the different types of airbags available for your Dodge Ram 1500, helping you understand their functionalities, and guiding you through the process of choosing the right ones to ensure optimal safety for you and your passengers. We will also cover important maintenance tips to keep your airbag system in top condition. Number 5. Firestone Ride-Rite Air Helper Spring Kit. Introducing the Firestone Ride-Rite Air Helper Spring Kit, designed to enhance your driving experience. It provides superior load support and stability for your vehicle. This kit significantly improves your vehicle's load support. Now you can tow heavier loads and haul more cargo with confidence. Experience enhanced stability and control on the road. It helps to level your vehicle, reducing sway and improving handling. It levels your vehicle both front to rear and side to side, ensuring a smoother, more comfortable ride. The kit is designed for easy installation, ensuring a quick and straightforward setup process. Get back on the road quickly and easily. Specifically designed for 2002 to 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 2WD 4WD models. It's a perfect fit for your truck. What we like. It levels your vehicle's ride, ensuring a smooth and balanced drive. Installation is a breeze, saving you time and effort. Its durable construction ensures it'll withstand the test of time, making it a reliable choice for your truck. If you value a smooth, balanced ride and easy installation, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. My 2007 Ram 1500 4x4 is a great truck, but was a little weak on the rear suspension with much of a load. These Ride-Rite airbags are fantastic. I really can't express how easy they were to install. They are literally made for this truck. I used my floor jack on the hitch to raise the rear end about 2 inches, unbolted the factory overload stops, and these things just went right in. I didn't even remove the rear wheels. The clamp bolts have long threads which took a lot of wrenching, but everything went right in easily. Absolutely no drilling. Connecting the air lines was so simple as well. Cut the air line to length and push into the fittings. Done. No leaks. Everything you need is well thought out and provided, and good quality stuff. Installed on 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 single cab. Did not need to take off the wheels, did not need to compress the bag, just jack up the back and everything fell into place. The bolts are long to accommodate lift kits, so it takes some wrenching to get them tight. I was impressed that all dimensions of the mounting brackets were perfect. Installation time of the bags is probably 1.5 hours, installation of the tubing another hour. Bolt right up, good quality material. Didn't take long to install. Doesn't take much side to add the lift you need while towing. My truck was bottoming out pulling pumps, and they are tongue heavy due to how they are made for pumping, and 7,000 pounds total weight, and with about 30 psi in each truck sits level. Number 4. Torque Airbag Suspension Kit. This kit provides a significant upgrade to your vehicle's suspension. It's designed for a smooth, controlled ride, even with heavy loads. It fits a wide range of classic trucks, including Dodge Ram 1500 to 3500, 1967 to 2002, Chevy GMC C10, C30, and Ford F-150, F-350. Check the details to confirm compatibility with your specific model. While it requires drilling, it comes with everything you need for installation: brackets, bolts, nuts, an instruction manual, and all the necessary fittings. The step-by-step instructions make it manageable. It's a direct replacement for Firestone Ride-Rite W21-760-2071, offering a high-quality alternative. It maximizes your vehicle's load capacity, stability, and braking effectiveness. It also enhances ride quality by reducing friction and softening impacts. The kit includes 2 airbags, all mounting brackets, a detailed installation manual, and all the necessary hardware for a complete installation. You'll also receive inflation valves, elbow fittings, and tubing. What we like. It's a direct replacement for your existing part, ensuring a perfect fit. No drilling is required for installation, making it a simple upgrade. The straightforward installation process saves you time and hassle. If you need a reliable replacement that's easy to install, this is the one for you. What people say. It installed in a couple hours. I had to make some spacers due to frame geometries that did not match up to the flat brackets that came with the kit. Once installed, a week later I put 60 psi in the bags and drove my truck in my newly purchased 11,000-pound fifth wheel camper, pretty much across New England. No issues. Great kit. Super easy to install on my 96 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins. This is a very well put together kit. Number 3. maXpeedingrods Air Suspension. Upgrade your Dodge Ram 1500 pickup truck with our advanced air suspension kit. It's designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride, no matter the road conditions. This kit is perfectly compatible with Dodge Ram 1500 pickups from 2009 to 2018 and the 1500 Classic models from 2019 to 2024. Please ensure you have at least 818 inches of clearance between your frame and jounce bumper. Enjoy precise load leveling capabilities up to 5,000 pounds. Adjust the air pressure from 5 to 100 psi for optimal comfort and safety on any terrain. It features an internal jounce bumper, safeguarding it from damage caused by impacts from potholes, curbs, or other road obstacles. This ensures a long-lasting and reliable performance. Installation is a breeze with our comprehensive manual and helpful installation video. Everything you need for a smooth and straightforward installation process is included. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects and offer lifetime technical support and customer service. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It boasts an impressive 5,000-pound load leveling capacity, perfect for heavy hauling. The adjustable air pressure allows you to customize your ride for different conditions. Its internal jounce bumper protects the system from impacts. If you need a heavy-duty solution with adjustable air pressure and impact protection, this is the ideal choice. What people say. I love the product fit perfectly. You have to modify a little bit, but it's worth it. I am installed myself the setup that I did. He is the same thing as a semi-truck. I love it. Needed air suspension for my 2019 Ram 1500 Warlock. I was a little questionable on the quality of this product due to the price. However, when I received the package I was surprised on how well the pieces were made and installation went well. Only recommendation I can make is add air to the bags before install. If there is an air leak in connection it's impossible to fix installed. You will have to remove unit to fix if needed. It's been a couple of weeks now and holding air with no issues. Pretty good fit, not perfect by fit. Number 2. Torque Airbag Suspension Kit. It fits 2002 to 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 models, excluding mega cabs. This ensures a perfect match for your truck. It's a direct replacement for the Firestone Ride-Rite W21-760-2286, providing a seamless upgrade. Installation is a breeze. No frame drilling is needed, it's a simple bolt-on process with all necessary hardware included. It maximizes your vehicle's load capacity, stability, and braking effectiveness. Enjoy a smoother, safer ride. The kit comes with 2 airbags, all mounting brackets, an installation manual, and all the necessary bolts, nuts, valves, and tubing for a complete installation. What we like. This is a direct OEM replacement for a specific Firestone model, ensuring a perfect fit. Installation is a breeze because it's bolt-on and requires no drilling. You can easily install it yourself, saving on labor costs. If you need a simple, no-drill installation and a perfect fit, this is the one for you. What people say. It took about 2 hours to install them on the rear axle, which can be done entirely without raising the truck. The bags can be deflated to help reduce size and aid in positioning them for installation. They came with all the necessary hardware, and despite reading numerous other reviews that said hardware was often missing, the kit was 100% complete. They easily hold air for days without issue. I routed the fill hoses to my back bumper and use a small pump to inflate them. They require very little air, even a bicycle pump could work to fill them in a pinch. I'm amazed at the improved ride quality and steering response, and feel these are well worth the money. This product is exactly what I wanted to improve my pickup and towing a camp trailer. Number 1. JDMON Rear Airbags for Dodge Ram 1500. These rear airbags provide a smooth and comfortable ride. They're built to last with high-quality materials and advanced technology. It is constructed from durable aluminum iron, alloy and rubber, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to corrosion. Experience a quieter, smoother ride with reduced vibration. These air shocks keep your tires firmly planted on the road. They are rigorously tested to ensure a perfect fit, replacing your old air spring seamlessly. The part numbers are listed for your reference. These airbags are compatible with 2013 to 2020 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2019 to 2020 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic models. Upgrade your ride today. While it's designed for direct replacement, we recommend professional installation to ensure optimal performance. Enjoy a superior driving experience. What we like. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last. It provides excellent shock absorption, resulting in a smoother ride. It matches the quality of the original equipment manufacturer. If you prioritize durability, a smooth ride, and OEM-level quality, this is a great option for you. What people say. Product worked like OEM at a very small fraction of the price, easy install and great quality. After a month of use I haven't noticed anything bad about it. Install was extremely easy, even came with a spare fitting and flare to be installed on hose. Install was pretty straightforward, used OBD adapter and alpha OBD to refill the system after install. As of current 2 weeks post-install I haven't found my truck on the bump stops in the morning, so this fixed the issue and I have not had any operational issue and carry around an extra 300 pounds of stuff in the bed daily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.